So this is the weekly chart of Nasdaq, and there was an S&P divergence up here. I think price has fulfilled that S&P divergence when it traded through this low. I called for that as at last week or last 2 weeks or so. For, for now, see the way price is breaking down, it has left a volume imbalance, and my draw on liquidity on the weekly chart is this weekly low here and this fair value gap. I'm looking for price to come and seek fair value, take out this liquidity and seek fair value here. That's my weekly bias. That's my weekly direction. Or I expect price to go on the weekly. By moving down to the daily, I'm seeing how price is currently reacting to this weekly volume imbalance. I'm seeing the T price to cut this previous high and price to cut the previous high, and it is currently breaking down. So I've not yet gotten any confirmation yet, although I'm seeing that a high has officially been formed, a swing high in this key level, which is like a signal to start going short, but price has not really shown any expansion or willingness to start selling. So going lower to the 4 hour, I've not seen any expansion. I've not seen any reasonable expansion. If I want to start selling the Nasdaq, I want to see price break below this low. If I want to start selling the Nasdaq, so that is the only criteria in which I'll start looking for sales officially on the Nasdaq. And when you do so, I want you to do that with a fair value gap, probably on the 1 hour or even on the 4 hour chart. So I can't go lower than this. I'm just looking for price to take out this low to break structure on the 4 hour before I start looking for sales down to this low, then eventually to this fair value gap. And this is US 500 S&P, pretty much the same thing. We can see the volume imbalance. Price has been break down, left the volume imbalance. Price has come back up to fill that volume imbalance, and now it's currently trading lower. So my drawn liquidity is this weekly low first to take our stops, then there's another area of liquidity here, and then this fair value gap to seek fair value. I want the weekly chart to break the week, like, so sorry, I want price to sell to this level. Going into the daily, it's just the same thing with US 500, US 100, but now we can see that there's even a fair value gap in the daily chart, and see how price closed away from it. It's not even the bodies are there. Oh my god, this is a clear indication that price is actually heavy, it is bearish. So no, apart from the swing high, no clear indication of wanting to go lower yet. So going over to the 4 hour, I still need to see a break in market structure. If you look closely, you see this low here. This is a swing low. So this is the low I'm looking for price to break. But currently, it's like I'm seeing an SMT divergence between the Nasdaq and the S&P, because I'm just looking at the charts. These are my raw thoughts of the charts. Let me. So this is trading higher. Then here is trading lower. In a key price level. This is something to look out for. An SMT divergence on the. I think it's a bit more clearer on the hourly chart. Yes, it is. US 100 failed to go higher. Did it? Yes, it did. By a little bit. Yes. And US 500 did traded higher. So I look for price to close below this low. Then I look for buying opportunities. Here's 100. I still maintain this low though, but I'll see what it has to offer in the 1 hour. But then SMT divergence in that key level is actually something to look out for. And see the way price is breaking down here. If I should see price take out this low with the fair value gap, I'm going to sell. And that's 100 from that fair value gap. So that's my bias. That's my forecast for the day.